Hi, Kirk here from Aero Precision. Today I'm going to be showing you how to swap out a two-piece handguard on an AR15. So if you're new to AR15s, you just bought a rifle or just built one, you may have something that looks like this. This is super common on rifles that have the A2 front sight post. This is the way handguards were done for a really long time before free floats became prevalent, and a lot of ARs on the market still have that. So today we're going to be showing you how to swap that out for something a little more modular. We have the Magpul MOE M-Lock handguard here, and that's kind of a good natural progression point for upgrades. It allows you to mount a light, a vertical foregrip, anything you like on there, and they look really cool. So the first step is going to be to make sure the rifle or pistol is clear. So I'm going to point it in a safe direction, rack the bolt back, visually inspect the chamber. There's nothing in there, so I can safely work on this firearm. Feel free to rack it one or two more times if that makes you feel better, but this is clear and safe to work on. Then we're going to go to the handguard that's on there already. We're going to take that off. So for that, all you need to do is pull down on this delta ring. It's under spring tension, that's what retains this. Pull down on that, and then the handguard should freely come out. This is a little stiff, especially if you have a new upper or gun that has not been taken down much at this stage. So if you do struggle with a little bit, don't feel bad. They are very stiff. So I'm gonna pull down on that, rock that bottom one out. Same thing for the top, pull down, it just comes right out. So next up, we're gonna take our handguard. This is a Magpul MOE handguard. It's one of the best drop-in handguards on the market. They have attachment points for M-locks. If you want to put any accessories on there, you can, as well as a heat shield to help dissipate any heat when you are shooting. Take that, we're going to separate it. Keep in mind which one's top and bottom, because on this particular handguard it does matter. So this is our top. We're going to start with that one. So again, bracing it up against the table, we're going to pull down on that delta ring, lock it up in them lugs up top, and then we're going to pull down and it should just pop right in. Just like that. And then we're going to take the bottom piece here, align that with the little plate in front there as well. Same thing, pull down on that delta ring and give it a squeeze and it should pop right in. Cool, so you hear it click into place there. You look at the delta ring, inspect it. You can see that it is engaging with the handguard properly. It's not canted at a weird angle, so we know it is installed properly. And from there, you're ready to hit the range. It's installed. You can use these M-lock attachment points here to put any rails, accessories that are M-lock compatible, and you're good to go. To purchase a drop-in handguard or for more information, please visit us at aeroprecisionusa.com.